Yeah, I've been in the market for a shop for several years now, and I decided to go ahead and do it. And I was real lucky to get hooked up with Mr. Lawrence and Ned with the slab. They work good together. Been very satisfied with it so far. Done an awesome job. I mean, I love it. I highly recommend them for any structure.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Custom Structures Direct. Today we are out here in sunny Alabama. Grateful for the sunshine. It's been raining a lot lately. Today we're going to be looking at one of our most recent installs. Behind me here we have a 30 wide, 50 long tubular steel structure, engineer certified. This building comes equipped with 3 12 by 10 chain hoisted doors, and that's 12 wide, 10 tall. As you can see, the building has been outfitted with vertical side paneling along with decorative wainscoting around the bottom. On the interior of the building, which you'll see a little bit later in the video, we do have this building fitted with 2-inch fiber insulation, giving an R7 value. It's a really good option for a workshop, shop, commercial building. On the side around here, you will also see later on in the video, we've got a 9-light walk-in door. Overall, we're really pleased with this project. The pad came out great. Now, this concrete pad was reinforced and poured at 6 inches because the customer here is going to use it as a shop, and he's going to go ahead and put a 2-post lift in here. Thank you guys again for tuning in. If you're in the market for a metal building, we would love to help. Reach out to us for a quote today. Thanks a lot.